Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with another episode of our tutorial video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Facebook account on your Android device. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, on your device, you have to launch the Facebook app and then make sure they are logged into your account. After that, from the upper right corner of your screen, you will see three line icons. So tap on three line icon and then again tap on settings icon from the upper right corner as well. Once you land on this interface, at the very top you will see account center, so tap on there. Here scroll down on account settings section and then there tap on personal details. That will lead you to this interface. Now again you have to tap on account ownership and control. Once you tap on there and in account ownership and controlship phase, you will see two options. From there tap on the option that says deactivation or deletion and then select the account that you want to deactivate. Here you can either deactivate your account or you can also delete your account permanently. Now select the one that says deactivate account and then tap on continue. For the verification, type in your password and then tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, here you have to provide your reason why you are deactivating your Facebook. Select the one that you want and then scroll down and tap on continue. And in here you will see various information. On the very bottom you will see an option that says automatically react my account, and if you want to reactivate your account automatically, tap on 7 days and in here select the days. If you don't want to reactivate your account, simply go back again and then tap on continue. Tap on deactivate my account. And once you tap on deactivate my account, your account will be deactivated. For the next time if you want to reactivate, simply log in. So this is how you can simply deactivate your Facebook account on Android. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you never miss any upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching again. I will see you on next tutorial.